Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. Now the other day I got a very interesting video request from Joseph Lagrange about the Central Asian dish Pilaf. Food review request Jan. Try to find a local restaurant with Pilaf in the menu. I haven't found any Pilaf video on your channel. It's a nice dish from Middle Asia. Well, that is a nice request, Joseph. Unfortunately, around here I didn't find any restaurants that serve the dish, Pilaf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it myself. And here are the ingredients. Chicken thighs, garlic, a couple of red onions, red chilies and carrot. First, some preparations. I'll start with the onions. I'm going to slice these roughly into strips. I'm going to use half a carrot, something like this. I'm going to cut this in half and then I'm going to cut this into julienne strips. So quite thinly sliced, that is. And even a little bit thinner than they are right now. I will be using 2 red chilies for extra heat. Cut these kind of roughly. Plus a couple of cloves of garlic, smashed and sliced. Now Pilaf or Plov, as it's also called, is a rice dish which originated in Central Asia or Persia, somewhere out there. It's very popular out there, also in the Middle East. So besides the rice, this consists of vegetables and lots of herbs and spices, and also meat. Usually that is beef or lamb, which I could not find, the right type of lamb or beef, so I'm using chicken thighs. Here I got 260 grams of chicken thighs. I'm going to cut these into bite-sized pieces, not too big and not too small. And by the way, I'm leaving all the fat in there for extra flavor. Some seasoning, salt, black pepper. I'm using quite a lot of black pepper, as always. And cumin. Then I give these pieces of chicken thigh a good rub of the spices. In a hot wok with an abundant amount of olive oil, I'm going to brown the chicken thighs. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to add in the onion and also the garlic. keep on stirring. Now that the onions are halfway caramelized, carrot goes in. Plus the chilies as well. And then here I got 500 milliliters of chicken stock. Because I'm using chicken thighs, I thought I like chicken stock is the best. Otherwise you can use beef stock or some vegetable stock as well. Some additional spices like turmeric for extra flavor and color. I'm using quite a lot, I must say. Some cilantro, some more cumin, and a little bit of black pepper. Why not? And finally, rice goes in. I'm using basmati rice. That's the most suitable rice for pilaf because it stays fluffy, which is very important. Putting a lid on the wok so that liquid go into the rice and all the other ingredients. It's not going to evaporate. I'm gonna plate this up. Well, I tell you guys, this smells already amazing. All that cumin flavors, the chicken, pilaf, the traditional Central Asian rice dish with chicken thighs. I'm going to eat this with a Thai spoon because I believe it's more easy to eat. This kind of spoon. Oh yeah, that rice is flavorsome. Spices and herbs takes this rice dish to a higher level. And so does the chicken. Full flavored chicken thighs. Always much better than chicken breast. Now this is good. It's like with every bite there's something different that you taste. Now that rice is perfect. Flavoring also. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.